In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Squarespace website content using a few simple steps, but with some limitations and workarounds you should be aware of. While Squarespace is a robust platform for building and maintaining your site, one of its limitations is the inability to perform a full export. This can be perplexing, especially if you need to move your site to a different platform. However, don't worry, because I'm here to guide you through how you can effectively export your content even if it's not the whole website in one go. First, let's talk about what you can export from Squarespace. It's important to note that what Squarespace allows you to export is predominantly limited to your content in blog form. This includes your blog pages, text, and image blocks, as well as some basic page layouts. Unfortunately, certain elements like style changes, complex layouts, or product pages in their entirety might not translate in this process. So if you're prepared for that, let's start with the export. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and go to the home menu. From there, head over to the settings panel. Once you're in settings, look for the advanced option. Inside the advanced menu, you'll find an option labeled Import Export. Select that and you'll see a couple of choices. For our purpose, choose Export. This action will prompt a pop-up window with an option to export to WordPress. Squarespace uses a format compatible with WordPress for its export function, which is XML. So if you're looking to migrate to WordPress, this is particularly convenient. Go ahead and click the WordPress button. At this point, Squarespace will generate your export file. Depending on the amount of content, this might take a few minutes, so just be patient. Once the process is complete, you'll see a link to download your export file. Download this to your computer and keep it handy for the next steps. Now, since we've only exported certain types of content, you might be wondering how to deal with the rest of your site's elements. This is where third-party tools or manual methods come in. There are several third-party services and tools available that can help you archive and migrate data that Squarespace's export tool doesn't handle. These tools can be particularly useful for design elements, custom CSS, or e-commerce information. You might look into services that specialize in website migrations or content management systems that support a wider range of imported data. Remember, every website's needs are unique, so a combination of exporting directly through Squarespace and using third-party tools can often be the best approach. I encourage you to explore these tools to find one that best fits your needs. By employing these workarounds, you'll have a more comprehensive solution to exporting your Squarespace content. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your website export.